Hey everyone, it's Scott from sleepandreview.com and welcome to the Detroit Metropolitan Airport Westin Hotel. Yep, this is the one connected directly to the airport. And you know, I've been here before and not much has changed since the last time. First time I came here was in 2014, I believe. And from what I recall, everything is darn near the same. The cabinets here are a little bit lighter maybe. I remember those used to be really dark wood. So I don't know if that's just a different style or if they've changed those out completely, but doesn't matter, looks good. This entire room looks pretty good actually. The bed is awesome. These Westin beds are always the best. I know I'm gonna get good use of that. And you know, I really appreciate the little amenities. You know, you got the lights here around the bed, that's good. And you got the power outlets, USB ports. Everything you would expect in a good business hotel or airport hotel. The work area is a little bit small. Hopefully you don't have a lot of work to do because you're not going to get a lot of work done there. There is a little desk over here that you can pull around and, you know, it's not very sturdy, but it'll do in a pinch, I suppose. But that's the star of the show right there. I know I'm going to like that. Over here on this side, you got an alarm clock, more USB outlets and buttons and stuff I'll never figure out. I'm not even going to mess with that anyway. Too complicated. So let me show you the bathroom here. You know, this is not quite as good as the room that I had before here. I've stayed here a couple times. And the shower before it was one solid piece, and now it's kind of like a tub. And well, that's kind of nice. But yeah, not as nice as it used to be. The vanity there is little, but yeah. Oh, and there's a robe here too. That's cool. Not many hotels are doing that these days, so that is very much appreciated. And we've got some complimentary water here, which is good. Let's see if these, and just making sure. Yes, these are free. Sometimes they charge, you know, $5, $10 for these things, but these are free. And let's go over here and the closet. And what have we here? Comes with a free backpack and some Chick-fil-A. Actually, that's my dinner. But yeah, not a bad closet. Kind of overkill for a hotel, I think. I mean, do you really know anybody who fills up a closet like that with all their clothes and just a quick overnight hotel stay? Not I. Oh, something else I want to show you is, yes, this room does come with a refrigerator, and it is cold, which is really nice. I've got my yogurt chilling in there for tomorrow morning. It's very cold already, and you know, you gotta love a hotel room with a refrigerator. And finally, over here, if you want to see what the view is from the windows, it's not much. I mean, you're looking right down on the atrium there in the check-in area, and you look straight across, and you're looking right into other people's rooms and the hallway. But that is solved with these blackout drapes, and just like so, never even happened. But yeah, overall, I think this looks great. I paid about $250 for this, which is a little bit pricey. You can get cheaper hotels around the Detroit airport very easily. You know, even down as low as $100 a night. But for an airport that's connected directly to the hotel, you really can't beat this. I've stayed here multiple times, been happy every time, and this looks to be no different. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.